Hello, I'm Mindy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a book review for Little Bird by Tiffany Murray, and I received a copy from NetGalley to review, and this is going to be published June 7th by Black Spot Books. And information on the book and the publisher will be linked down below. And this is a strange little story. I would classify it as weird fiction, horror, maybe fantasy, and it has a lot to do with one character, but there are a few characters in the book, but not many. It's very focused on the main character's life, and I would not say it's very scary or horrific, and I don't think it's meant to be, but it does have horror elements, and it does have some tough topics that it covers, and I really enjoyed it, even though I have not had the best of luck with weird fiction. This is just the right amount of strange. I really liked it. Let me tell you a little bit more about what this book is about. In Little Bird, we follow Josie, who is dealing with grieving the loss of her father, as well as the recent ending of her marriage. And she doesn't have a very good support system. She has a strained relationship with her mother, and she is dealing with things by putting off dealing with them, not dealing with them, through alcohol. And she is drinking every day, an alcoholic, and things are just not very good or happy in her life. So pretty down, and her only comfort is her super adorable, cute chihuahua named Poe, who is a great character unto himself. So much personality, and really loved reading about Poe the chihuahua. But one day, a weird weed starts growing in her backyard. And this weed grows very, very quickly and starts to take over the yard. But she doesn't really deal with it. She deals with it in the same way as her other problems, by drinking heavily. And then a talking skeleton appears in the middle of this weed, sitting on it like a throne. Josie starts talking to this skeleton, and the story goes from there, trying to figure out what Skelly is, why is she there. That's the kind of the mystery of the novel, like, why is this talking skeleton here? And, you know, figuring that out was a lot of fun. And this book is just about how destructive grieving can be on someone's life, especially if you're not dealing with it in any sort of way. And finally facing the feelings inside of yourself. I think it was a hard-hitting novel with a lot to say, and done in kind of a goofy, strange, fun kind of way. So a lot of heavy topics, but balanced out with the kind of witty surrealness of Skelly the talking skeleton, and ends up going to some interesting places that I really enjoyed. So if you don't mind a little bit of strangeness in your hard-hitting novel, I would recommend reading Little Bird by Tiffany Murray, and it will be available soon, June 7th. I ended up giving this book 4 stars. Let me know what you think of this novel. Does it sound interesting to you? because I know that premise certainly sounded interesting to me. I had to get it and read it. And I'll be back very soon with another book-related video. Thanks. Bye.